Hey everyone, welcome back. Ever seen those cool posture trainers like PWR Postures Align Pro and wondered, will this actually fix my posture or is it just hype? Let's check if it's legit or all talk. Quick disclaimer, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. PWR Posture offers the Align Pro, a wearable posture trainer you strap around your shoulders. The idea? It buzzes or vibrates when you slouch, nudging you to sit or stand straighter. No surgery, no drugs, just gentle reminders to help build better posture habits over time. The concept is simple and the device looks well made, making it easy to use during work or workouts. However, there aren't any customer reviews or ratings. No Trustpilot stores, no Reddit threads, nothing outside of the company presents on its site. It doesn't mean it's bogus, it just means there's no third party proof yet. The lack of reviews means you're trusting the product entirely based on its own claims and design details. For the final verdict, PWR Posture Alarm Pro seems like a promising tool if you need general posture reminders. It's not obviously a scam, but with no independent reviews yet, go in with realistic expectations. It could help if you're consistent, but don't expect a magic fix overnight. For the final verdict, if you've tried, share your experience below. Was it helpful or meh? And if this gave you a good heads up, hit like and subscribe for more no-nonsense reviews.